Welcome to my YouTube channel guys. How are you? I hope all are good. In this video of today we will know about this trending reel which you just seen in the preview. So guys, to make this video you need VN application. First install this application which is easily find on Play Store. When you open this application you will get interface like this. Guys, to make this video you need one text template and 18 photos of yourself. Text template given on my Telegram channel. Telegram link is given on the description. Once you will download that template, after that you have to click on the plus icon from here and click the new project option and select that downloaded text template and 18 photos of yourself. Okay, you have seen how to select that photo and text template. Now have to forward from here. So guys, in this way you have to take like this. First you have take text template and then 18 photos of yourself. Now guys, you have to delete the VN default clip from here and select the ratio of 9.16. Then guys, we will add the music on here. Music video given on my Telegram channel. Telegram link is given on the description. You have to download reel video from Telegram. Okay, after that we will extract the music from that reel. So guys, to extract the music, click on the plus icon and have to click on the music option. Now you have to click on the plus icon and have to extract from video option. Then we will select that downloaded reel. Now have to OK from here. Then guys, you have to click on the choose option and have to done from here. In this way music will be added. Now guys, you have to trim your photos according to music. So first I trimmed the photos. After that I will tell you the photos durations because I can't listen music to you. Okay. Okay guys, you have seen how to trim the photos. Now note the photos duration. So photos duration is very simple because you have to keep same durations of all photos and will keep the duration of 0.20 second. Okay. So guys, in this way your video is completed. Now you can save this video. To save this video, click on the export option and done from here. Now guys, you have to click on the save to album option and the video will be saved. So guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending reels related notifications. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.